Introduction. HTML5 has revolutionized the web, providing more advanced options for creating interactive content. One of the most exciting applications of HTML5 is its use in game development. HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript can be used together to create engaging and interactive games that can run on multiple platforms. HTML5 Game Development Basics. This is a container for graphics where you can draw on the fly using JavaScript. JavaScript for game logic. This language is used to manipulate the HTML5 canvas and create the game logic, controlling all the game dynamics. CSS3 for styling. CSS3 is used to style your game and create simple animations, building a simple HTML5 game. The HTML structure of the game uses the HTML5 canvas element to draw the game. A JavaScript file is used to get a reference to the canvas and its context, which is used to draw onto the canvas. A player object is created with X and Y properties for positioning, and a draw method to draw the player on the canvas. In the game loop, the canvas is cleared and the player is redrawn in its current position. HTML5 game development tips and tricks. Optimize your game for various screen sizes to ensure it is responsive and looks good on all devices. Use Request Animation Frame for smooth animations. Preload game assets to improve the performance of your game. Common HTML5 game development errors and how to avoid them. Misunderstanding the coordinate system. Remember, the top left corner of the canvas is 0, 0. Not clearing the canvas. Always clear the canvas before drawing a new frame to avoid unwanted trails. Not handling user input correctly. Ensure your game handles user input correctly and responsively.